After watching this video, you are going to drink green tea every day. This traditional Japanese drink has given much to talk about issues related to our health. Look at all the benefits you have and some additional recommendations that you should put into practice. Green tea is a powerful natural infusion, capable of fighting even the most complicated diseases. Learn about the benefits of green tea and its benefits to your health. It is often said that green tea is the king of teas, because of its enormous variety of benefits and properties for our overall health. Look below, what are some of the benefits of green tea for your health? 1. Increase your defenses. Green tea is a powerful natural infusion, which will protect your immune system in the best way, thus preventing you from contracting any kind of disease. 2. Source of antioxidants. Among the most notable benefits of green tea, we find its high level of antioxidant content, which helps to improve our physical appearance, particularly rejuvenating our skin. 3. Prevents cancer. Scientists at McGill University in Montreal, Canada, have certified the fact that green tea contains properties capable of preventing various types of cancer, such as prostate, pancreas, colon, lung and stomach cancer. 4. Reduces cholesterol, and is ideal for arteries. Another of the most wonderful benefits of green tea is that due to its natural properties, this tea is able to eliminate high blood cholesterol levels. Drinking a cup of green tea daily will help you significantly reduce the levels of fat accumulated in your body. 5. Liver disorders. Green tea also contributes greatly in helping the liver to better process the food and toxins that reach it. Your liver will feel much lighter if you drink green tea every day, etc.